There is nothing more frustrating than a check engine light coming on just when you thought your diesel truck was running perfectly, especially when it is related to the emission system. If you have pulled the code P20A4, it translates to Reductant Purge Control Valve stuck open. This is part of your diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, system. The purge valve has a very specific job. It helps reverse the flow in the system to clear out the lines so the fluid does not freeze or crystallize and clog things up. When the computer sees this valve is stuck open, it gets confused about the pressure and flow, and it sets this code. While usually moderate in severity, if this leads to harmful gases leaking or not being converted properly, it becomes a safety issue. You will likely notice poor engine performance, and you will definitely see a drop in fuel economy. The causes here can range from a defective valve to something as simple as a loose ground strop. A lot of mechanics make the mistake of immediately replacing the purge valve, but you should be smarter than that. Start with a visual inspection. Look for white crystals around connections, which indicates a leak, and check the wiring for scraping or burn spots. Since this system is underneath the truck, wires can easily get damaged by road debris. If the physical inspection passes, you need to get into the electrical diagnostics. You want to check for continuity in the wiring. Remember, resistance should be near 0 ohms. If you find high resistance, you have a bad wire, not a bad valve. Also, check your ground connections from the module to the frame. A corroded ground can cause all sorts of phantom codes. Only after you have verified the power, ground, and signal wires are perfect should you consider replacing the purge control valve itself.